Hello and welcome back. Now, I've had a delivery, as you can see, so what I thought I'd do is open it. You can see what's in it, I'll see what's in it. Fingers crossed it's not damaged, but yeah, let's do that. We'll get it all unpackaged, or unboxed, as I know there's lots of videos for, and then later on we'll do something else with it. While I'm unpacking it, have a guess what it is? Yeah, it's not very exciting for you, it's quite exciting for me, but let's get on with it.
Well, this is a story all about Browns. He bought a new house and flipped it upside down. He'd like to take a minute, just sit right there to tell you how he restored a manky old chair.
So, here we go. Big bit of basically glass fibre. Now, what this is, if I hold it across like that you can probably tell, but it's a front lip or a front splitter for a car. What we'll do, it's designed to be painted, so it's not like an immaculate finish on it. I want it black, and it is quite a good finish, so what I'm probably going to do, just stick it on, or screw it on I should say. It's a little bit twisted where it's been packaged, but it'll all straighten out when we're fitting it to the car. Now, I've got bits to do today, so what I'm hoping to do is get this on later tonight. Now, if I'm out in the garage putting it on the car, it's going to be pretty gloomy, so be prepared for some low light. Pictures won't be great because it'll get dark quick because it's the evening, but we'll get it on, have a look at it, and then I'll take some pictures or maybe a video out and about in the daylight in it when it's on, so you can see what it looks like on the car. Anyway, thanks for watching, and in a snap of my fingers we'll probably be in the garage. So 3, 2, 1. Right, now I'm in the garage. So I've got a car here. Now before I had one of these rubbery, like £5 eBay job things, and to be fair it went on with sticky stuff and it took some effort to pull it off, so they're not bad if you just want a little bit of lip on there, but as we know, got the new lip. So what I'm going to do is put this one in the bin and try and get this one all lined up. I do have little special work zone clamps, but the little tiny ones. The idea is that hopefully I'll be able to fit them underneath to clamp it on, just to hold it, just check where I need to drill the holes in the splitter. But anyway, let's get on with it. We'll do another time lapse, I guess. I need to jack the car up basically. Can't get the drill under enough to screw it up in. So a few minutes, then we'll get another time lapse on the go. Hopefully just screwing it on. It doesn't look like it's going to fit brilliantly, but we'll get there. Hello, now I've broken one of the legs off my tripod, just a cheap little one, so I've got to hold the camera, proper vlog style. Anyway, check out this now fitted splitter. Is it quite hard to see? Let's turn the brightness up, there we go. So it's a pretty big splitter. Now, I have got one little bit to correct there. It's too far forwards. So I'll do that quickly, but other than that, it's on. So happy days. I'm going to close it out here and get that final little bit done. But hope you enjoyed the change, and now you've seen the little MX5. It's a little bit of fun for me. So anyway, over and out. Right, this bit's just for anyone that's got a bubble wrap fetish, or, you know, popping, banging, that sort of thing. Here we go.